So clean, can she fuck that question, been harassing me in the mind. This bitch is fine, I done came to the club about 50-11 times. Now can I play with your bandit line? The club wanna say I need to calm down. Security guards gonna swing me now. Think a drunk, then a motherfucker threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she work. And then I like to see them females work. Taking the clothes off, bucking naked. And she get a hold on disrespect it. I pop your pussy like this. Cause you ain't twins in this B.I.S. Lil' John and the East Side Boys with. And we all like to see ass and titties. Now bring your ass over here, ho, and let me see you get low. If you want this dub, now take it to the floor. Now if your ass wanna act, then you can keep your ass where you at.
3, 6, 9, damn good fine. Suck it to me one more time and go. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. To the window, to the wall, to the wall.
When the sweat drop down my ball, all these bitches raw. All these motherfuckers.
Standing there while I'm drinking my hand, steady looking at me, still asking questions. Lines up, nigga, pass me another contestant. Whole move to the left if you ain't about ready. And talk through 3 or 4 songs already. Looking at a nigga with your palm out. Bitch, I ain't even seen you dance. Work something, baby. Work something, baby. Pop a pussy on the pole, do your thing, baby. Slide down there, bitch, a little bit, then stop. Get back on the floor, catch your balance, then drop. Now bring it back up, clap your ass like hands. I just wanna see your ass dirty dance. Yeah, ain't, we done done it again. And put it on the map like, man.
3, 6, 9, damn good fine. Suck it to me one more time and go. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low.
To the window, to the wall,
to the wall.
when the sweat drop down my ball. All these bitches raw. All these motherfuckers. All these goddamn. All these motherfuckers. All these goddamn.
Yeah, y'all talking a little bit, ladies.
got some mean bags. You got a mean ass and a really mean